Now onto the ROG Phone 5, and it's a beast. This phone it's a gaming phone, and it's been tested against most other phones out there, and its battery life, first of all, is way better than all the other competitors out there. It has the second longest in terms of battery life out of basically every single phone it was compared to. It was only behind one phone, and right now, just behind the LG V60. It's the only phone that had less battery life than. If you just keep the phone on, airplane mode, just playing a video continuously, it was able to last for 20 hours and 15 minutes, and that's when the screen was at 120 hertz. And if you put it on the screen refresh rate to auto, it lasted for over 28 hours and 4 minutes just playing a video. So that's like very, very long, even for a gaming phone. And while they didn't make many upgrades to the outside, a lot was done to the inside of this phone. So, it has now close to 24 hours of battery life just playing continuously. It also has a refresh rate up as 144 hertz. And this is a pretty big deal. This battery life is really one of the main features of it. Obviously, it also made some upgrades to some features for gaming. One thing in particular was with the buttons on the side. They made the touch game controls a lot bigger on the side of the phone. So essentially what it is the air triggers, which are located on the side of the phone, now are easier to use because they're larger. They go from edge to edge of the phone. Previously, they didn't do that. That makes it easier. And also, if you're using the Pro or Ultimate version, then there's an extra sensor on the back for input as well. So this is a beast of a phone, especially if you're into gaming. They didn't make much updates to the outside, but inside, battery life, display, and a lot of other things had some pretty big upgrades here. If you'd like me to do a full dive into this, you could always do that. There's a couple different models of the ROG Phone 5. They have like an Ultimate version, Pro, just a standard. So first time they've had like multiple versions of that, and this is their 4th generation phone. Even though it's called Phone 5, it is their 4th generation. But let me know if you want a full. We can always talk about this more, do like a full deep dive. I can always get the phone also, talk about it like actually here. We can do some sort of tech review. I don't usually do that, but we're up to try it, up to try anything.